In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Discord bot with commands and events. We'll start in the Discord developer portal, sign in, then create a new application. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Open the application, go to the bot tab, and add a bot user. A token will be generated here. Treat this like a password. Do not share it, do not paste it into chats, and never commit it to source control. You can always regenerate it if it's ever exposed. While you're still on the bot tab, scroll to Privilege Gateway Intents and turn on Message Content Intent. This is required if you want your bot to read message text so it can respond to prefix commands like the one we'll test in a moment. Next, head to OAuth2, then URL Generator. Check the bot scope and the applications.command scope. Under permissions, select what your bot needs to function, at minimum the ability to read message history and send messages. Copy the generated URL, open it in your browser, choose the server you manage, and authorize the bot. It should now appear offline in your member list until your code connects. On your computer, open a terminal or command prompt and install the libraries we'll use by running pip install discord.py python.env. The second package helps you keep secrets out of your code. Create two files in a project folder, a .env file to hold your token securely and a bot.py file for your code. In the .env file, add a single line that assigns your token to a variable name. Keep this file private. In bot.py, write a minimal script that loads the environment file, reads the token, and sets Discord intents with message content enabled to match what you toggled in the portal. Create a client instance, add an onReady event that prints a confirmation when the bot connects, and an onMessage event that ignores messages from bots and checks whether the content equals hello. If it does, have it send a friendly reply back to the channel. Save the file and run it with python bot.py. When you see logged in as in the terminal, your bot is online. Now switch to your Discord server and type hello in a channel where the bot has access. You should see it respond instantly. If nothing happens, verify the message content intent is enabled both in code and in the portal. Confirm the bot has permission to view and send messages in that channel, and make sure you use the correct token from your application's bot tab. That's it. You've created a Discord bot, wired up an event, and added a simple command.